Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Let's slice data with Saurabh. So till now we have learned a couple of things in Python, variables and different data types and the input command. And today we are going to learn a new thing in Python. What? And before that, I hope you all know now how to open a Jupyter notebook. If not, go and please watch my previous videos. And here I will give the name as indentation. See guys, I'm not teaching you only, I'm telling you that what kind of problems you will face when you start coding in Python. Indentation is one of the biggest problem of Python when you're writing any command, let's say for loop, while loop, if else, anything. If you're writing in Python and you're not taking care of this indentation, you will be in trouble. So I'm telling you that how to tackle this particular problem. So for that, please see here. Let me first of all put it here like this. So today what we will learn indentation in for loop. So this we are going to learn today. And see guys, let's say you want to make it as a heading. I want to make it as a heading and I will click on this and see. So it has become an indentation for loop and it has become a heading for me. So let's say when you're trying to practice, few commands in Python, use this heading definition and it will become a significant, identifier that, okay, from where which chapter has started. So today we will learn indentation in for loop. So what is indentation and what is for loop? So let's say I want to write a table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So whatever number the input will, user will give, I will create a table out of it by using this for command, for loop basically. So for loop is used for, to automate the things. Very simple automation I will tell you here. But guys, remember this thing that these small things will become big when you go and type there. You have to type, then only you will learn. See, I have already shown you a video on input function, so I'm directly typing it here. I want an integer input from a customer and I'm saying enter your number for which I want to create a table. I'm giving one space as well. Okay, then I'm saying this for loop. What is this for loop? How it is working? What is the use of it? Let me explain you this. For I in range. First, let me write that and then I will explain 1, 11. Then I will give this colon, enter, print. I want to print a table, right? So I want num, comma, and in single inverted comma, I want this. I want to print a proper table out of it. And I'm then giving a comma here. Then I will say I, which I am giving above in the range. Then I say comma, in inverted comma, I will give equal to sign. And then I will say num star I. I have to give the comma here as well. So I am basically what I am doing. I am taking for command. I don't have to, write every time 2 into 1 and 2 into 4. I am giving a range of numbers here, like 1 to 11. And remember this thing, whatever answer you want, you have to give one extra range here. It will always take -1. So let's say I want to print this particular formula, this particular table up to 10 only. So for I in range 1, 11. So I want to take the first one here and then 10. So I am giving it as 11. Just remember this thing. This is a very small thing, but you have to remember this. And then what I'm doing, I'm printing it. So the number, which is the integer, which will be the input from a customer, I'm taking that and then I'm printing this asterisk sign. This is a string. Basically, I'm just printing the string here. Then I'm saying I, and then I'm saying equal to sign. It is again a string. And then I'm doing this calculation, num into I. So I'm taking the number from the customer and then I'm multiplying it with by I. I, it will start from 1 and it will go up to 10. It will go always up to -1 only. Let's run this program and see what is the result. Let's say I give 5, enter. So it will give me the result from 5 to 50. So you can write small programs like this in for loop, whatever, num into I, if I want to add this, you can say num plus I, whatever you want, you can do that particular thing, or num divided by I. Try all these formulas from yourself. So for loop is very important. It is starting I in range, and it will give the numbers, whatever numbers you want. I want it up to 10 only, because 5 tens are 50. I want to print a table here, so I given it 11. Indentation, this is very important thing, guys. Remember this thing. Most of the time you will get this kind of problem, that there is an indentation error in the formula. Remember this thing. When I wrote these two particular rhymes, let me copy them and rewrite them. When I put the enter after this particular column, it is not taking me, from the beginning. It is taking me up to, after there is some space here. So I am just going here and I say enter, it is taking me here. Below I, it is not taking me to the first character, that is F, that is for. Why? Because this is called the indentation. This you have to take care. It means for function will be applicable up to this place only. And after that, if I say, let's say in the beginning, I say print done. So my for function will not be applicable to this line. It will only applicable up to this line only. So that is called the indentation. This is space, basically. We have to see that. Let me run that. 5, enter. So it is saying done in the end from this. So for loop will start, then you have to take care of this indentation. Otherwise, you will get an error. Indentation is very important. For loop is used to automate the things. You can give a range of number here, and it will automatically take exactly what is I from 1 to 10. As I told you that you have to give +1 every time. I need only up to 10. So I have given here 11. Let's say if I give 21 and run this particular cell again, and I say 5, so it will give me up to 20. So remember this thing, that range always you have to define +1, and it will take in formula only up to -1. That's why it is 20. So you can take a number from an input from a customer, and you can create this kind of formula. So see, table is not my concern. My concern is to learn this indentation. Indentation is a very important thing. If you're writing anything in code for like for, while, if else, then you have to apply this thing. So for loop is in today's lecture. Maybe in tomorrow we will cover while loop, if else, then list, tuples. There are so many things to cover, but learn this thing from the basics, then only you will understand the Python coding. I hope you like this lecture. Please subscribe, like, and share with them who want to learn Python. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.